Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get May Dump IG story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Instagram and click on search and search here Techmaster, and here you need to click on monthly dump, and here you need to click on add yours, and here you need to select the layout. So let's select the layout from here. So I'm going to select 3 photos layout, and then you need to click on the icon and the gallery icon in the left bottom corner and add pictures. So I'm going to add pictures from here like this. Okay, and here you can adjust that and share that on your story. So this is the process by which you can get My Dump Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.